is symbiosis? Symbiosis is the relationship or interaction between two dissimilar organisms that live in the same ecosystem. There are three types of symbiosis. The first one, mutualism, the second one, commensalism, and the third one, parasitism. Symbiosis is important because animals and plants are dependent on each other for survival. Now let's dive into an ocean marine ecosystem to see symbiosis at work. Let's start off with mutualism. Mutualism is when both species involved benefit from the relationship. So when we go in the ocean, we see this with clownfish, also known as anemone fish, and sea anemones. Sea anemones live attached to the surface of coral reefs. They trap their prey and eat it with stinging cells called nematocysts. However, clownfish are not hurt by the nematocysts. This means the clownfish can swim comfortably between the anemone, giving them a protected environment. The anemone are also helped by this relationship because the brightly colored clownfish attract other fish looking for a meal. The unsuspecting predators are then caught and eaten by the anemones. Also, clownfish scare away animals that may want to eat the anemone. Both species benefit from this relationship. Next, we have commensalism. Commensalism is when one species benefits from the relationship, while the other species receives neither harm nor benefit. When we go in the ocean, we see this with barnacles and humpback whales. There are many species of barnacles that attach themselves to the skin of whales. The whales are not bothered by the attached barnacles. The whales transport the barnacles to plankton-rich waters where both species feast upon the abundant microorganisms that live there. The barnacles benefit from this relationship, while the whales are not affected. Finally, there's parasitism. Parasitism is when one species lives on a host species and causes the host to sicken and die over time. An example of parasitism in the ocean is isopods. Isopods are an example of parasites in the ocean. Some isopods will eat the fish's tongue and then live in the fish's mouth so they can eat whatever the fish is attempting to eat. In this example, the fish is the host species. The isopod benefits from the relationship, but the fish gets sick and will ultimately die over time.